Measuring robot is a construction robot used for actual measurement during construction. It adopts advanced AI measurement algorithm processing technology, simulates manual measurement rules, and uses virtual rulers and protractors to complete actual measurement operations. It has the characteristics of high yield, high precision, high efficiency and intelligence, and can automatically generate reports with objective and accurate measurement results. Product advantages. 1. High efficiency. Complete the measurement of a single room within 2 minutes, and the work efficiency is 2 to 3 times higher than that of manual labor. 2. High precision imaging and image processing. 3. High profit. One person can complete the measurement, saving 50% of labor costs. 4th, intelligence, AI measurement algorithm and automatic statistics of reports. High efficiency. All measurement items can be completed in one scan. The measurement in a single room takes only 2 minutes, and the measured operation exceeding 300 square meters can be completed within 1 hour. So contact us to get more details.